HostX Collaborate. HostX Collaborate offers services such as desktop and application sharing, instant messaging, presence, voice, video, and document sharing. And it enables users to access business communications and collaborate services from their favorite devices wherever they are. HostX Collaborate supports all the features and functionality of the HostX telephony service, which provides a true unified communications experience. HostX Collaborate is available for both Mac and Windows and on iOS and Android mobile devices. In the app, at the top is your social interaction area. It contains your personal profile picture, your personal contact information, details of your location, and an area of free text to let everyone know about your day. It also includes your availability to help your colleagues decide the best way to contact you. Your availability is automatically collected from your calendar and also displays the activity within Collaborate. If you're on a call or conference, for instance, you can manually change this to one of the many options from the drop-down list. At the side, there are a number of action buttons. You can access your contact list and create groups to make it easier to find colleagues. You can see calling history and visual voicemail where you can play back your messages without needing to leave the application. You can view your messaging history, and there is a keypad for manually dialing telephone numbers. Finally, at the bottom is a settings button where you can configure your devices plus inbound and outbound calling behavior. To initiate contact with a person in your contact list, either right-click on their name or double-click to open up a chat window. You can open multiple chat windows with different people at the same time. Typing a person's name in the search and dial field will bring you up a list from your contacts and directory. The more you type, the more specific the results will be. You're then ready to begin an instant message conversation, or you can escalate the call to a voice call, video call, or share your desktop or applications. It's simple to make the call into a collaborative conference call, voice, video, or application sharing by dragging and dropping users from your contact list into the tab. For planned collaborative sessions, open up My Room and a user can simply enter your room without the need for links, numbers, or PIN codes. External users can enjoy the same experience without the needs of any downloads or applications by using their browser. Joining a collaborative call has never been simpler, and you have full control on participant access and privileges. There is still a dial-in number and PIN for anyone needing to join a call from a standard telephone. You can maintain a voice call or conference even when moving away from your desktop environment by using Call Pull. This seamlessly moves the call to your mobile client. Likewise, if you're working on your mobile client, you can move the call onto your desktop client. HostX Collaborate is a great tool to help improve productivity, increase collaborative team working, attract more diverse talent, and speed up business decisions. And if you require further assistance, please do take a look at our how-to training videos on our Midshire TV YouTube channel. Take care, guys. Thank you.